In 2025, we are talking about smarter spaces, greener campuses, evolving occupier priorities, and new cities entering the spotlight. Let's take a look at the top trends that are set to shape India's office market in 2025 and what do they mean for the future of work. India's office market is set for another year of growth. इंडिया के ऑफिस सेक्टर ने काफी resilience दिखाई है in the past few years और 2025 में ये और मोमेंटम पिक करने वाला है thanks to a robust supply pipeline and steady demand. आने वाले सप्लाई का लगभग 60 to 65% शेयर इंटीग्रेटेड टेक पार्क से आएगा जो कि मोस्टली मेट्रो सिटीज के आसपास है. इन डेवलपमेंट्स को फ्यूचर रेडी बनाया जा रहा है ग्रीन सर्टिफाइड, वेल कनेक्टेड और मॉडर्न वर्क प्रेफरेंसेस को ध्यान में रखते हुए. Absorption is expected to remain strong across major hubs like Bangalore, New Delhi, Mumbai and Hyderabad. लेकिन इंटरेस्टिंग बात यह है कि चेन्नई और पुणे जैसी की सिटीज भी स्पॉटलाइट में आ रही हैं, ड्रिवन बाय स्ट्रेटेजिक लोकेशंस, स्किल्ड टैलेंट पूल एंड इंक्रीजिंग डाइवर्सिफिकेशन. The next big trend is premiumization, and it's reshaping how spaces are planned and delivered. Occupiers today want environments that support agility, well-being, and long-term efficiency. इस डिमांड का डेवलपर्स रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हैं by designing workspaces with a greater focus on sustainability and flexibility. Some of the key features that are being prioritized include proximity to public transport, pedestrian-friendly environments, community spaces, quality food, excellent indoor air quality, and beverages options of all sorts. It's no surprise that over 54% of office leasing in recent years has taken place in modern, green-certified buildings under 10 years old. Next up, domestic firms drive leasing searches. 2023-2024 में एक solid resurgence के बाद Indian companies अभी भी expansion mode में हैं. A CBRE 2024 report shows that 78% of domestic occupiers plan to expand their office footprint by 10% or more in the next 2 years. This is being driven by business expansion, growing confidence and the digitization of operations, especially among tech firms and flexible workspace providers. Diverse sectors fueling market strength. Demand सिर्फ टेक तक लिमिटेड नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ, टेक अभी भी सब सेक्टर्स में लीड कर रहा है. IT spending is projected to grow by over 11% year on year in 2025. इसके साथ ही इंजीनियरिंग R&D का मार्केट $63 बिलियन तक पहुंचने वाला है. BFSI sector is also showing steady growth, with Indian banks recording profitability growth for 6 years in a row. और बाकी कुछ सेक्टर्स जैसे लाइफ साइंसेस, रिसर्च एंड कंसल्टिंग एनालिटिक्स एंड फ्लेक्स स्पेसेस भी काफी फास्ट ग्रो कर रहे हैं. ये क्रॉस सेक्टर डिमांड एक हेल्दी एब्जॉर्प्शन क्रिएट कर रहा है और मार्केट को एक सिंगल इंडस्ट्री डिपेंडेंसी से भी बचा रहा है. GCCs continue to transform India's office landscape. इंडिया में ऑलरेडी 1.9 मिलियन प्रोफेशनल GCCs हैं और 2024 में GCCs accounted for 35 to 40% of office leasing. That's a significant share and it's growing steadily with a CAGR of 6% by 2030. Tech sector अभी भी लीड कर रहा है with 27%, followed by BFSI at 20%, E&M at 19%, RCA at 11% and life sciences at 10%. What's new though is that non-US firms, especially from Europe and Asia, are increasing their footprint in India as well. So, what do you think? Is the future of work in India going to look very different in the next few years? Do let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more real estate and business updates from across India. See you in the next video.